Hello, welcome back to our channel, Life Without Diabetes. Belly fat is a major warning sign something is wrong. Your body doesn't want to store fat around your vital organs. Although losing belly fat through spot reduction has been the holy grail of exercise science for years, study after study has shown is just not possible. That's because belly fat isn't an exercise issue, it's a hormone issue. And the two hormones in charge are cortisol and insulin. And here's how to fix these hormones to reverse that belly fat forever. Cortisol, sleep and wake at the same time every day and make sure to see morning sunlight. Insulin, no sugar, 20 total grams of carbohydrates or less per day, and never eat after sunset. Remember, fat cells can only grow in the presence of elevated insulin. It's important to avoid spiking this hormone. See you tomorrow.